Welcome back to Stock Market Mindset. Today we about to go over something in the Strat called Enforce. Had a couple people hit me in the comments, wanted to know what it means, how to use it, what to look for, different things like that. I'm Slick the Trader, and we're about to get into it. So look, right now we're looking at Hood, right, on the 12-month chart, as you can see. So all Enforce means is the stock is moving in the same direction on mostly all the high time frames or majority of the high time frames, right? So I'm gonna take this line right here. You know what? Clear this whole chart, and then I'll just have to redo it later. So, boom. So all right. So you see this green line right here? It has broken over the previous candle. 12 months in force, right? It's broken over. It's over 1 penny above. It's in force. It's a 2-1-2 setup. Right on to the 6-month chart, right? Same thing. That candle has broken a penny above the previous 6-month candle, right? On July 3rd, right? Now to the 3-month. That previous candle has been broken over and enforced by a penny on the 3-month chart. And as you can see, we have a 2-1-2 continuation, 2-1-2 reversal here. And as you can see, this will be your entry, and it is enforced. It has broken a penny above monthly chart. Get down here on the, and we're down here on the weekly chart. Now, this way it gets tricky because the week is not enforced, right? It just opened. As you can see, it's green, but it's just open. And if you really look at it, it's inside of this previous candle. It is not enforced, right? It's that simple, right? Now, the same thing on the daily. It's inside. It is not enforced. Now, tomorrow, if it breaks a penny above, so if you took this on a daily trade, it would be, you would have your entry there, right? And if it breaks above 1424, and then your PT would be here, right? I mean, it's extremely close, but I'm just using this for example purposes, right? So let's stretch this out so everybody can see. All right. So for this day to go in force, what will happen is would be just say tomorrow candle opens up bigger than I like it. Back it off. Right. All right. Boom. We get a break over, right? Now this candle would be change the color so it makes sense. All right, so it's just like the rest of them. So once it's broken over, so let's just say tomorrow open, the day is going, Then your alert goes off here, a penny above, now it's in force. And then it would be going to take out, obviously, this target right here, right? So that would be what is considered in force, right? I do that. It look like I ain't smooth over here. All right, well, whatever. I could go ahead and bring it back over. Yep, this, bring it back here. So now that would be in force, right? So then we can go back to the weekly. Same thing, right? We will be looking for, place this here. Take this cat, actually remove that, and remove this, right? So we're looking for a break of here, right? For that to be in force. So if we really looked at it, it would go month in force, right? As you can see, it's broken over the hive here, right? Weekly's in force is broken over the high. I mean, 6 months in force is broken over the high here. The 12-month weekly, the 12-month, 6-month, 3-month, which is the quarterly broken over the hive here. It is fully in force. The month fully in force because it has broken over the high here and it's taken out that target. Then you have the weekly, which we just built right here, will be in force. So what's most likely to happen is tomorrow. Let's just say the daily was not in force, but the year, the quarter, the month, the week, and now tomorrow we're looking for the day to be moving in the same direction. We want all time frames to be moving in the same direction. We want them to be the same color. If we're bullish, long, green. If we're bearish, red. Same thing goes in reverse. Actually, let me see if trading charts. I go on TOS, you can invert your charts. I don't even know how to do it on here, but I was going to do it anyway. But really, that's all you're looking for. I mean, it's just a quick video on what enforce means. So like I said, all your time frames are moving in the same direction. So then you get down to the daily and the weekly and not enforce. So you're looking for, since the week just opened up, like it's an inside week. So you might get chopped up if you try to play this. But if you wait for next week's candle to open or this candle, this inside candle, decide to break over here, right? If this inside candle decides to take a break over here, right? Let's say tomorrow comes and want to take a hard push and it decides to break over here, the weekly will be in force even before the next week, comes in. Can't really get it over the top, but even before the next week comes in, this will be in force, right? It's a penny above the previous candle, so that will be in force. So what happened is, let's just say the daily still chopping around inside. The daily decides to break over the high of here, and that'll also be in force. So you have all high time frames in force: the yearly, the quarter, the monthly, the weekly, and then the daily. So what happened is you take your entry and you got a higher probability of just pushing up to the highs because it is in force. So it's really that simple. So if you're bearish, same thing. You would want, time frame continuity to be red above these levels, which is where they opened at, and then you will be looking for all of them to be, going in the same direction. And that just gives you a higher probability trade when you're trading the strat. So that was just a quick video on enforce. I hope this helps you in your trading journey. If you got any questions, just use the description portion, and I have on my links, link tree to my link tree. It has everything. DM me, TikTok, DM me on IG, TikTok, everything. The course is there. Breaks down and explains everything. Like I said, the course is so simple. A 5-year-old could learn the strat. I've been very profitable. I've actually traded Hood this week, and it's actually on my watch list for tomorrow. That's what I'm about to finish building. So I just wanted to go over that while I had the chance, explain to you what enforce means. If anybody was ever confused, trying to figure out how do I know if a stock is going in the right direction. And as you know, if the higher time frames are green or red, the algos are either buying the ass or selling the bid. That being said, appreciate you for watching. Please hit the like button, like and subscribe. Thank you for returning and coming back.